Hello everyone, this is V. Dilip Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SRK Engineering College, Bhimavaram. In this video, we are discussing about the CSS Cascading Style Sheets properties. Here, we are discussing about the various properties of CSS. For example, the properties of text, properties of links, and properties of tables and background. First one, CSS background properties. The CSS background properties, the property name is background attachment. Here the value fixed or scroll. And background color RGB. Here we are specifying the color name or RGB of percentage. We are giving the hexadecimal values. Background image. Here we are specifying the URL image. Background position. Left top, left center, left bottom, or center top, center bottom, center. So here we are specifying 9 positions of a web page. CSS text properties. In CSS text properties, text having a text color, direction, and text alignment and decoration, underline, warline, line to blink or strike, text transform, none, uppercase, lowercase, capitalization, or text indent, length or percentage, and we will start with the text and vertical alignment, length, percentage, top, middle, bottom, supertext. Letter spacing, normal length, word spacing, normal length. These are the properties of text. Link properties. Therefore, link states are there. The first one is normal link, that is we are giving a colon link, and second one is the user has visited, a colon visited, or link when the user mouses over it, a colon hover, and a link moment it is clicked, a colon active. Table properties. In table properties, I have the border style, dotted, dashed, double, groove, ridge, insert, outset. Border width, thin, medium, thick, and also we are giving in the size of pixels. Border color, we are directly given the color name, or sometimes we are giving this hexadecimal. And padding top, padding bottom. Also we are giving the pixels. Text alignment, left, right, center. Vertical alignment, top, bottom, middle. And CSS list properties. Here we are using different lists. The list style sets all the properties for a list in one declaration, or list style image specifies an image as the list item marker. List style position specifies if the list item markers should appear inside or outside the content flow. List style type specifies the type of the list item marker. Thank you.